Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you the interesting one. Since this radio doesn't have FM radio, it's AM only, not much you can do with it. Okay, so what we did, we installed a Bluetooth in it, and it's this unit is just Bluetooth player. Original looks 1980s, Philips 232. Original radio is eliminated, so it's only Bluetooth now. I'm gonna test it now.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, let's try it on. When you turn on the radio, the Bluetooth is activated automatically. So here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, it's paired now. Now let's go to YouTube channel and play any music we want. That's it. Let's try another one. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Nice. Thumbs up.